Hey, it's Raimi. I'm feeling rough and I'm looking rough, so there's just a lot going on here. Basically, I'm supposed to get my period today, so I already feel like I'm dying. But I have things to do and pictures to take, so I just thought I'd take you guys along with me on my catfishing routine while we chit-chat about some things and gradually get cuter. So, as you can see, I'm breaking out.
Hi, whoever invented acne, I just want to talk.
And that is because I decided that if I want to be successful, I just have to suck it up and do my job, which is trying to look cute and doing my makeup and taking pictures and making videos. So yeah, my skin hates it when I put makeup on, but I was just like, you know what, if my skin is gonna continue to bully me no matter what, then might as well just, you know, make the content. But I am switching to a new birth control in 1 week as soon as I'm done with this pack, and it's called Yaz and it's supposed to help with like acne and like clearing your skin. So hopefully that will help me, because my birth control is literally the reason why I break out. I might be clear-skinned, I might not. Let's see. You know, there's hope for me. Curology sent these to me and I literally almost freaking cried. Like, you can ask Zach. I was so like shook because, you know, like I've been seeing these all over Instagram and now I have them in purple. Okay, so believe it or not, the catfishing process has already started. So I put on a hydrating serum and moisturizer, and that's important because if you're like me and if you have acne, then you know when you put makeup on, then it gets like those crusty, dry, lifted up spots under your foundation or whatever base makeup you're using. So to fight that off, I just use really hydrating skincare before I do my makeup. And yeah, so my acne won't be crusty and extra noticeable under my makeup. I already did my brows off camera with this Benefit Gimme Brow Pencil, and I don't usually use pencils, but I've been obsessed with it because it makes my brows look so natural. So she's my new fave. Okay, you're probably not surprised that I'm using the NARS Tinted Moisturizer, but I was gonna use a full coverage foundation today, but this has just been like so good for me. I don't know, I just realized that hydrating products have been working so much better on my skin lately, and it helps so much in photos. Like, I barely have to edit my pictures when I wear this tinted moisturizer because it just makes my skin so glowy and like human looking. I don't know how to explain it, because you know when you wear full coverage foundation and then like it's just like super not human looking sometimes. I wish I could talk, I really do. I'm just gonna try my best. And then like I just feel like I have to edit the imperfections so much more because it's more noticeable when everything's more like one color and texture. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, long story short, tinted moisturizer gives me just more like a skin, like I have texture because I'm a normal person, but I still have like the same tone because of this tinted moisturizer. So it's like foundation but like natural. Round of applause for the worst description ever. So I feel a little bit played by the universe right now, because now that it is like winter time, all my foundations and base products are just not my color anymore. But do I look like I'm really about to like replace all of them with the color that I actually am? Maybe, but like more like no. This one is the one that matches me the most, but like my full coverage foundations, definitely clockable, like so bad. So I'm a little bit depressed about that. I'm still gonna keep those foundations for like next summer if they last that long, but like base products are just so expensive, and I just it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Side note, I'm running out of my favorite concealer, and it kind of feels like my whole world is crumbling apart every time I run out of this. I don't really know why. Maybe it's because my period's coming and like things are just upsetting me, but also Christmas is coming up, which is like crazy because that means the new year's coming up, which also means back to the Christmas part, that I need to get people gifts, which is like a crazy thing because like figuring out what to get people can be so hard, especially if you want it to be meaningful and then also if you don't want to be broke. So I'm probably gonna do one of those like what I got for Christmas haul videos, because I really didn't ask for anything this year because I can't like think of anything that I want. So it's really just gonna like be seeing what people want to get for me. And I don't know, I'm really nosy and I like watching what other people get too. Brightening my under eyes is like one of the best parts of makeup because it just makes such a difference. There's literally no way I can look cute while doing this. Like the under eye part, like I've tried it before and there's just no way. Okay, wait, ready? Like if I pretend it could be cute, but it's just not cute. So I'm just gonna lightly powder the rest of my face because I'm gonna do some magic to disguise my acne scars. You guys have seen me do this before already, but I've been doing it like every time I do my makeup because I just think it's really flattering on me. So I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint. It's like so tiny and so cute, but you only need a little bit. And I'm just gonna put a lot of blush on. It's in the shade Beam and it's like a super cute peachy color. How is life going for you guys? I heard October has been like a super tough month for like everyone, according to like Twitter and Instagram and, you know, people's posts and whatnot. And I definitely feel that. It kind of gets rough towards the end of the year because like your motivation has lost and it's like almost a new year and things are just weird and life is changing and it's just crazy. But I'm really excited for 2020 and just to like not be so comfortable anymore. I feel like towards the end of the year I just get so comfortable with life and I like stop going to the gym and I just stop doing all of like my super positive girl things, and I think it's time to just, you know, force myself to get back into that. Yeah, I just hope you're doing good and doing things that are good for you and your mental health, because, you know, you can't do much if you're not feeling good mentally and physically. I'm just putting some of the leftover product on my eyelids. I feel like you can't see it too much on camera, but in real life we're peachy, so I'm not gonna do any more or I'm gonna look crazy, but I like it. I like it. Okay, so I'm mixing Please Do, No Type, and Prom Queen together and using that as my highlight because I couldn't pick. So I don't know if you noticed, but for the first time ever in my entire life, my acrylic nail broke off. I was literally shocked. I was just in the bathroom at a restaurant, just like fixing my hair. My hair was curly, so it was a little bit more like difficult, and I was just fixing my hair and then my nail just ripped off and I was like, what? Like the whole part that's just like off of my finger just like ripped off, and I was like, and my little sister was like, she was like, where did the other part go? And I was like, I don't know. And it was just a whole entire thing, and now I feel really weird. Just gonna get my cheekbones really quick. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh my gosh. I'm sure you guessed it, just like in my last video, I'm using Passion to do some freckles all across my cheeks to camouflage my acne and across my nose just for cuteness. So I already talked about this on my Instagram, but if you don't follow me, I started a TikTok, okay? And my third TikTok got 2 million views and I was just like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. And I was so excited until Instagram meme pages started like reposting it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. But then all of the comments are just like a bunch of like nerdy, mean men telling me that women can't be funny. Ooh. I'm sorry, I've never met a funny man in my entire life, so I'm kidding. That was just crazy. I was like, wow, you make one TikTok and you triggered everyone. It wasn't even bad. Go look at it and see if it's something to be mad about, because it's really not. But you know, I'm a Cancer, so I know it's the internet and this is what I signed up for, but it literally like honestly still baffles me that mean people exist. Like I will never understand it, and it continues to just like blow my mind every time I meet someone that's like genuinely like has an attitude for no reason or is just like mean. I'm just like, wow, that takes a lot of work to be mean to somebody. Like, oof, I'm scared. So the freckles are done and they're really subtle but really cute in selfies and pictures and whatnot. Now I'm just putting on some mascara to make my eyes pop. I've been thinking about getting a lash lift, you know, that thing that makes your lashes like curled for like a month, I think, or like I don't know how long it is, but I don't know why I want to do it because I could just wear mascara, but I want to know, like, is it gonna make that much of a difference when I'm like not wearing makeup? Like, will I look a lot cuter? I don't know. I've just always been like interested. If you guys have ever gotten one, let me know what you think about it. I wish I could do bottom mascara, but it's just like not cute on me. I don't know how you girls do it. You guys look stunning with bottom mascara, but on me I just look crazy, and I don't. Tell me your secret, because it just does not work on me. Okay, I took a mini break to go put a Pop-Tart in the oven, but now I'm back and I'm ready. You know, the brown sugar Pop-Tart is the only Pop-Tart I've ever tried. All the other flavors look disgusting to me. Fun fact. Is this brown sugar or is this like cinnamon or something? I think it's brown sugar. So on days when I'm pretending to be a natural beauty, I use this Buxom lip liner in the shade Hush Hush that I've had for years, and I use it in like all of my videos. And my favorite lip balm, this is the Raw Sugar Natural Lip Balm in Raw Coconut and Mango. Yeah, so I just use these two to make my lips look bigger. I just line the bottom a little bit, and it has this brush so you can help like diffuse it so it's not so harsh. See, look at that, my bottom lip is already bigger looking. Oh my gosh, I was supposed to do eyeliner. Do you think I can still do eyeliner with mascara on? Like a wing liner? Ooh, that sounds scary. I don't know. This is like almost exactly like the tutorial I just did, except for I'm talking more about my life. This lip balm is pressed natural oil, so sometimes it looks like a lip gloss because it's just so like glossy. Okay, so now that it looks like I was born like this, it's time to do my hair. So my hair is straight and looking it's cute, but it's a little bit boring, so I'm gonna add some like soft waves into it. But my hair has been straight for a couple days now, and it's on like its last leg, and it's getting really oily, so I'm using the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. It doesn't turn white, which I love, but I just need to get some of these oils out. I definitely have to wash it tonight, but I'm just gonna try to get one last day of cute little mermaid waves. I'm gonna show you guys how I do one side because it's super easy, great for a quick little catfish transformation. I'm using the Bedhead, I think it's like a 1-inch curling iron, I think, but it's like a little this, and I just take a section like this and wrap it around and hold it for like 10 seconds, and then I'm good. So it should look like this, and it's gonna like drop and get more like cute like that. And I don't put any hairspray, which is why when I go outside this look doesn't last at all. It's just like even bigger, longer, basically almost straight waves. But if you want it to last, definitely put some like light hold hairspray. But for pictures inside, this is great, at least in my hair. I remember in middle school I used to do this to my hair literally every single day, and before I went to bed I would do this and then put it into like little pigtails, so in the morning they would like basically be wavy, and then I would just like redo the top layer and go to school, and I would wake up so early to do that. I can't believe I put that much effort into how I looked in middle school. Okay, so you probably get the gist. You just do little like 1-inch sections and you just on your whole head, and then you're gonna look really cute. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I finished my hair and it looks exactly how I want it to, but now for one of the most important parts. So let me show you guys what I have in mind for my outfit and accessories and all that. So really, I'm getting ready to take an Instagram picture, and I think today I want to look like an angel, like a little angel baby, like a fashionable, cute one. I have this little white top from Attica. I've never worn it before, but I feel like it's very cute and like fluffy. I think it's adorable. And then I'm gonna pair it with some light wash denim jeans from PacSun. They're mom jeans, so like they're a super cute fit. They're like tight on your waist and then looser around your ankles. Okay, my room's so messy right now, so ignore that. But this is the top. It's super cute. It's a lot more cropped than I thought it was gonna be, but I still like it. And then these are the jeans. They're basically just like skinny jeans with like a little bit of like a looseness at the ankle. Okay, so honestly, I'm not gonna put on shoes since I'm just taking like selfies and like Instagram pictures in my spare room, but we do need one more thing that's really important. I'm gonna tie everything together. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm way too excited about this, but I have this white shoulder bag from Friday by JW Pei. I think that's how you say it. But it is literally so cute. I've been taking it with me literally everywhere, even if I'm wearing just like a big t-shirt and like nothing really cute, but I just have like this adorable bag with me. And if you look close, I can't tell what animal skin this is supposed to look like, but it is vegan leather, so no animals were hurt in the process of making this, which I love. It's super cute. This is my second vegan bag. I'm really proud of myself. This outfit is everything. I love it so much. It's literally so simple, but I feel like less is more sometimes. You know what I mean?
Look at my dog staring at me like this girl is absolutely 100% ridiculous.
Okay. So that's it for this get ready with me. I got some pretty cute pictures actually, and I feel like it's all thanks to this outfit, well, this shirt and that bag. But if you guys want to go see them, then you know where to go. I heard somewhere that if you like, subscribe, and comment that you'll get like 5 years of good luck. I don't know if it works, but you should try it. Okay, so now I'm gonna contemplate buying sushi or eating at home, which is like a really tough choice, so I might be here for a while. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!